Greetings. My name is Bill Hager. I'm an expert witness in the area of insurance and reinsurance. I'm a native of the upper Midwest. I grew up in farm country. I grew up in a town of some 400 people, and I was educated in the public schools in Iowa and the state universities in Iowa. In terms of grounding or foundation for my expertise as it relates to insurance and reinsurance, it is as follows. From a regulatory standpoint, I have served as Commissioner of Insurance. I've served as First Deputy Commissioner of Insurance. I've served as well as Assistant Attorney General in the Department of Insurance. All of those were within the state of Iowa. In addition, I've served legislatively in a series of positions. I was Chief of Staff at the United States Congress. I'm currently an elected member of the Florida House of Representatives, where I have served in all of the insurance committees, dealing statutorily with all aspects of insurance. I'm also former General Counsel to the American Academy of Actuaries, where I served as Chief Lobbyist for that organization as well. In addition, I've served from an industry standpoint as President and Chief Executive Officer of a major property casualty insurance company. I have served as well as a reinsurance arbitrator in disputes between insurance companies and reinsurance companies. I'm also an insurance lawyer. I'm admitted by examination in the states of Illinois, Iowa, and Florida, and have held a series of legal positions with respect to insurance matters. From an educational standpoint, I hold a bachelor's degree in mathematics. I have a master's degree in educational psychology. I have a law degree from the University of Illinois at Champaign-Urbana, and I'm one of 400 certified reinsurance arbitrators. I've testified as an expert in some 400 cases throughout the United States, state and federal court, and about half of my work is for plaintiffs, about half of my work is for insurance companies. Now I'd like to talk specifically about particular areas of insurance with respect to my expertise. I work in the area of life settlements, and by that I'm talking about life insurance policies typically sold into the secondary market. The operative questions that arise with respect to these matters include the following. That is the application in the first instance. Secondly, the knowledge of the insured at the time they applied. Third, the question of the language within the policy and whether it in fact facilitates the sale of the product in the secondary market. Typically it does. And then of course the question is fair market price within the secondary market when there is a sale, knowledge of the buyer in the secondary market, and the like.